Bosumi ye baba be wuramu yi eye autism month. Ye ka autism a emofra wo ho aka ewo awomu. Ye maame no mu ehunama kwa ne bi anase enru bi a ye fa anase dru age bi a yetumi ewo enkura ne bi a wabra wo monya sinto kakra. Eno enam so pani ba ko a sisi anu wotumi etete mofra no wo mra nkura no ewo saate bia nim wotumi dandan wo mo a ema wo mutumi ebehunu niema wo so mo ye no eye Madam Elizabeth Betino wono and oda Liztino Center for Children with Special Needs. Na eyade wone enkura school for nkura akuhia aye nkyerɛkyerɛ de afa autism ho firi sɛ bosumi ba be wuramu eye April mu no eye autism month.
Dumwa bosumi a ibesimu no metro foriso bosumi no ne da etosumi no da ewiasini nanu eyi edesi hono essay autism awareness month nsa sunti enam so many day opening bosumi no ne da etoso eduasa bako eyade se Liztino Center for Children with Special Needs any young field ekabumu kopie mu ewo St. Peter's Secondary School ye no ewo East Legon na botayeto kopie mu hono mu ninanu sese de beye na dusan for wono ewo hono ebehunu se autism no enye yade a ehu bia na mpesenge bibia wode ahye wontiri mu se yade ano den ne sasunti wode ncheche mapabeko ede ama wo mu.
When we talk about autism is not a mental illness, but it is the sensory processing disorder. In other words, it's a disorder of the brain and sensory nervous system. When you talk about sensory nervous system, or the autism is not a mental illness, and why are they behaving as if they have a mental issue? For starting, it's not a mental disease, but if you don't take good care of it, a day will come, it will seem and turn as if it's a mental disorder or a mental disease. The issue is the sensory cognitive disorder is the one which have the guts to get information to the brain. So if the information is not getting to the brain, meaning what a regular child can do, that special child cannot do. And there is a few things that you can see when a child is very young, and then that child you can see that child will be in the spectrum.
Ebi unso eyade say young field ne na woda ne sasunti wogina so emo kopie mu ewo hono mu a wono mu nyina kokabo mu edi a woda no ofel so enunam so ema eye kofa bae edema Liztino Center for Children with Special Needs eweni munyamfo Elizabeth Betino ejina so edi ensem sei etu eja
enye easy say wa wo bae ti say ye nyina ye nim me nyanya atwom enka se bia baby aso edrudi nti ono de ne ye debi enye de krasa obenya kwa atisa but de tie bia ne ye mane ba school a ye de nkra ne ba ne ye da ye ho anamasi omukoto na mo gya wo mo na mo ye yi no yesre ye package say ye ba won kwala atisei nti ye be sre mo ara say mo ba boa ye na mo hwe wo mo na kina bi obi awu bi o and it seems say special children na neighbor bi awu bi and I say every household bi a ewu because every household ye wo wokas wonya bi benya wonya wo nefi bi benya nti eya ye say ba ne aba betena se na ewo ho dada since 1902 nti nye nne na autism aba but not Africa they go out of it but then they grow with it because of ye nuane na ye di nti yesre government yesre wo say more inclusive na amafo na special school no mokọ wini ba ekohia no ye ba ma mo nji omo ministries any ade omumbra classroom we mekire ye mana de na me say go to a time me ankasa me ye teaching assistant e wo me ba school mu because na ma moa nti me ankasa me kwotena school ho ye tie nipa he na betumi and ye won pay for more money bi pa ye won pay for more that spectrum nim ye be sere say momoa ye na ka mo so momra out na amafo mo de omoma hye dem na bi sie nkwala no na bi etia nkwala no su ko omo no enu mom ebe firi ho na ye hu se nipa e won nkwala ni mu
enwachi no enam so ema young field enso eye akenkan kakra e wo dwumadie no ase